Welcome to Origami class with Prescott Origami Fanatics. In this session, you will learn how to make a jumping frog. This design is traditional, which means we don't know who first folded it. You will need 1 square of paper to make your frog. A square cut from 8.5 by 11 letter paper is fine. That gives you an 8.5-inch square. Or you can cut the 8.5-inch square into quarters and then fold one of the quarters. The frog jumps higher if the model is smaller. If your paper is pre-cut origami paper, a 6-inch square is good for learning the model, but your frog will jump higher if you use a smaller square, 3 or 4-inch. But I'll use 6-inch for teaching. If your paper has a different color on each side, you will start with the desired color of the frog face down. We will start the model with 2 diagonal folds. A diagonal fold is when you bring 2 opposite corners together, line them up, run your finger down, make a pinch, check the alignment, and then crease. Open the paper, rotate the paper 90 degrees, and make another diagonal fold. Open the paper and turn the paper over, so now the frog color is face up. Now we're going to make 2 book folds. Book folds are when you bring 2 opposite sides together. Line them up and crease. Open the paper, rotate, and make another book fold. Open the paper and push up the middle so it looks like a roof. Notice that you have mountain folds going corner to corner and valley folds going side to side. Pinch 2 opposite mountain folds so they become sharp, and then pinch the other 2 opposite mountain folds. And now you have 4 flaps. Flatten the model with 2 flaps on the right and 2 flaps on the left. Reinforce the creases. This is a triangle base. It's closed at the top and open at the bottom, and you have the 4 flaps. Let's make the front feet of the frog. We have, looking at one side, we have 2 side points and a point up at the top. Bring the side points, I'll work with this one first, bring them up to the top and start the crease at the center here. But when the side point comes up to the top, we're going to swivel it out about that much. This is so that the frog's foot doesn't cover the frog's head. Do the same with the other side. Start at the middle, swivel the point out, and there's the front feet and the head. Turn the model over. Let's make the back feet. The back feet will be these points, and they're going to go toward the back of the frog. But again, the crease will start in the center, this time up at the point of the head. And again, the point will swivel out as it comes down. And you leave a healthy space there, and we'll leave another one over here. And that's where your finger will go when you jump the frog, so that the feet don't get in the way. We want to leave a good space there. So there's the other one. So the frog's feet are kind of flat and pointy. Let's make them more interesting looking by turning the frog over and picking up the feet. Start with the right one. And turn the feet, pick them up and turn them out, folding them to one side. And do the same over here. Pick up the little foot and fold it so it's pointing to the outside. Now our frog is almost finished, except it's flat. It doesn't have any jump. We need some jump or spring in our frog. So let's make 2 more creases to put spring in the frog. The first crease will go from this point, the bottom of this V, over to the bottom of this V. There will be a valley fold on the side where the front feet are. This is going to be a soft fold. I can't see it from there. You want to make a soft, rounded fold. Don't crease it, really any at all. Just a little bit of pushing, because you want to leave lots of spring. That's what makes the frog jump well. So it's a very soft fold. And the last fold will be made from this side at the back of the frog. We're going to make a crease through the middle between these raw edges and this folded edge, but we don't want the raw edge to come all the way to the folded edge. We want it to be a little short of the folded edge. Again, that makes it a better jumper. You're less likely to get your finger caught up on underlying layers. So I'm going to make the crease, rather than through the middle, I'm going to make it a little bit high, probably right about there. All of this, the feet and the back of the frog, the whole thing's going to fold over, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm leaving some distance there so that this does not stick out past that folded edge. And again, it's a fairly soft crease. Leave some spring in it. Now let's make the frog jump. This is a 4-part process. Hold the foot, pull the head back. If you can't pull it back just like that, push on the nose. There it goes. And then let go of the foot. Don't forget to do that. And snap. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's your jumping frog.